Charming 2-bedroom 2-bath home all on one level, in sunny Otis. Home features, natural woods, vaulted ceilings, butcher block kitchen counters, large master bedroom, closet with sliding barn doors, large laundry and mud room, certified wood stove, brand new hardy plank siding, double pane windows, updated plumbing, newer roof, a partial unfinished basement, fully chain link fenced on almost an acre. 4 apple trees, 2 pear trees, cherry tree, blueberry bushes, mini rhododendrons, azaleas, garden area, delicious cold well water, and more. Vegetation was untouched by the Echo Mount fire. Room for chickens, pets, garden, or just to enjoy. Check this out today. Seller is a licensed real estate agent in the state of Oregon. Sale to be contingent upon seller's closing on another property.